guys, Retro Tech Ralph here. Now, time to do a little bit of teching. My PlayStation 3. I have the still have the two fat ones, which are at the other side of the garage. I'm not touching them. They're going to be for spares, parts, anything for the future. Kind of annoyed with that. I tried cleaning this, there was a little mark on the corner, but for some reason it's the heat of the power supply in the corner there kind of welded the isopropanol to it. So, right, what I'm going to do is do a service on this. I've done a video before doing a service, but this is mine. This is the one I bought on eBay the other week with all the games. I got like 18 games with this, plus I've already got stuff from the PlayStation Network that I already got from having the PlayStation a good few years ago. Actually, I'm looking on the PS Network for it. I think I got it in 2007. But I managed to get 3 free games. I think they were either issues or problems or something, but yeah, there was things wrong with the PlayStation Network at that time. So let's dig into the PlayStation 3. Now this is the PlayStation 3 Slim, not the silly slim version. Right, what I need to do is take a lot of these caps off. If I remember from the last one, I think all these have to come off. I think the corners do as well, the feet. That definitely has to. I want to be careful with this because this is mine. This is not like it's the other one, which was my friend's. I have to be extra careful with that one, but oh, that doesn't even come off. Okay, that can stay where it is. That's holding the hard drive in place. So let's get on with that now. Let's get me the other toolkit on this one. I might see about splitting this in two, the video, I think. Right, that's just a posi drive, which is, I have a ruddy see, these are too small. Normal. 3-sided, star bits. Oh, come on. Right, what I want to do is find 3 for this anyway. Because these are the security bits. There's the hexagonal ones, but they've got a hole in the middle. Let's try that one. Now the other one, I had problems taking them out of this. So you need a bit kind of, so look like that. Hole in the middle. So I'm taking these out first because, hey, why not? 1. I'm not sure I actually do need to take these out, but I'm taking them out anyway. 2. This, when I got this, it is in really good condition. So I've not really got much of a task on my hand doing this. But I do like to strip things down, and I do like to make sure they're alright. I'm not going to go as deep as I won't put the drives on there. As taking it down to the I'll get there eventually. Down to redoing the chip, repasting the chip. It doesn't need it, to be honest, not yet. Maybe a few years time or something. Do these come off as well? I don't know whether they did or not. Yeah, that does. That does. That does. It feels like it's stuck in. Okay, that's coming out anyway. I don't care. That's definitely stuck in. I can feel the adhesive. I'm not sure if there's a screw behind here or not. Right, careful. No, there's no screw there. Put that back on. Right, so you're taking off all of these. I think there's one behind here. Yes, there is. So, one behind. There's something in the middle of there. I think it may be where the plastic is. So I'm going to invalidate the warranty. Oh no, void, void, void. Because there's a screw cover behind there. Which I'm not bothered with. I've got no warranty on this anyway, so why would I even bother with it? No, it fell off. There we go, got it. So, all posi drive, got my screwdriver. Let's start unfastening. I think, or I'm hoping, these are all the same size screws. So, while I get on with this, I'll do a quick jump cut. Okay, screws are out. As long as I've got all this right, this should hopefully come out. I'll clean that off later. Any issue with that at the moment. Now, if I remember rightly, that just comes straight off. See, I've got, oh, a spider's web. Ah, okay. So something somewhere's blowing on this front corner up here. This really isn't bad, to be honest. I expected a lot worse. So over there with the top, I mean, you look at the comparison between this and the fat systems, and there's absolutely, you can see why they shrunk it, but you can see I'm quite happy that they shrunk it as well. Now looks like I've got one screw there. The main power supply comes out there, and this will be for the, is that the controller power for the disk drive? Right, I want to take this fan out first. So screwdriver. It's got the old arrows there. I mean, usually if you can see let me get this in focus there. There's an arrow there. Oh, is it easy to look at that one? Neither. But there is an arrow pointing to the screw, which usually means that they want you to take it out. So I need another little bit different head. A different screwdriver. I've got a magnet. Put you up there. I'd say this really isn't bad at all. I expected a lot worse than this. Right, power supply comes off with the back. Nothing else holding this on. Doesn't look that way. No screw there. There you go. Connects into these two parts. The prongs there. The power looks like there's a Wi-Fi and oh, there was something alive in there. Oh, oh. I definitely saw something move on the board then. Right, let's see what we can break now. It was a piece of dust. Right, does the fan come off? I think the fan's attached to the board. See, this is almost loose. Little screws. Right, I need to get these off first. Antennae here, right, so the aerial for there and there. One must be the Bluetooth, one must be the Wi-Fi. Comes straight from there underneath all this like black and white wires over here. I'm not really bothered about taking them off just yet. There's a good possibility that this is screwed in there. Right. Okay. Have a look in there. Things fell off. I'm looking out for that, whatever it is. So under the back of there. So one screw holds that in. Okay. I'm hoping I'm not destroying the ribbon cables. Be very, very delicate. There's 3 on the back of here. 1, 2. Try and pull them by the blue tabs if you can, so you avoid cracking, breaking these. I've not actually tried this disk drive. I'll assume it works. So Oh, there's a fourth one as well. Damn it. Okay, that pushes up and pushes in. Okay, that's going to be tricky to put back in. Okay. Now, the rest of, right, following my arrows. Or do I? Do I try and take this off first? No, looks like it's actually attached quite well. So they're all black screws on there. Follow it round. Arrow. Same screw. Come down here. Anything? Nothing. These two here holding the hard drive in place. I actually haven't took the hard drive out of here, have I? How exactly does that come out? Do I need to unattach these two? No, I shouldn't, should I? Well, I am going to, because there's arrows on them. Tiny ones there. One there. Ah, there is a spider in there. It crawled across the front of you. Okay, it's kind of made its home in here. Why does things so small actually scare the crap out of people? Well, we'll try and release him in a bit. Because he just scared me twice now. Actually, I thought, here he goes again. I thought there were, the one up here was smaller. I might have a few more things that are alive in here. That's what I'm thinking. Right, I've got to get this off. I think it's just a surprise of having a spider in here. I've seen cobwebs and stuff in loads of different stuff, but never really seen a full spider in. So, disk drive out, or hard drive out. I'm sure this is a 320. I'm positive it is. I can't tell on it. But yeah, quick dust with that one. Front cover, about bent that. Put that in there. Don't need doing out to it for that, is it? He's probably wondering what the hell is going on up here. Right, anything else wants taking off the board? Let's take that off there. Proper full dismantle this. I think that should pop out. Something else attached here, I know there is. I think it's below that power supply. The cable there. Is anything holding it in? No. So, there we go. Pulls out. Just a straight adapter between one of them figure eights and whatever PlayStation put on. So no, there isn't anything holding that in. I know these are here. Didn't really want to take these off. So there goes the screw. Go over there. Right, so follow the cables down. Very careful, delicate as you can, because there's a spider under here. Right, black to the left, white to the right. These should just be pinned onto there. These little tweezers on there. Best investments I did. Buy a decent set of tweezers. Amazing these. So sharp on the end. Ridiculously sharp on the end. But, alright, let's get rid of that. So that's that. They've got a ribbon cable on the front of here as well for the front panel. I want to remove that. Okay. Any more? There we go. And the spider is nowhere to be seen. Or is he? Because there's a fly in the corner there. Looks like dinner. Unfortunately, spider, I'm going to have to, I don't know if you're hiding in here or not, but you are coming out. Including your teeth. So, down to the bed. I am not removing this. These underneath there, the clamps which hold the top section to the bottom section. I think I might just give this a damn good blow. I think it might actually be in there. Let me get me portable light. Well, it wasn't supposed to be a portable light, but it is now. Yeah, there's something in there. I mean, that's as far down as I actually want to strip, you know. Because I can't, for some reason I can't take that off. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't want to take this off. I can, but then, yeah, looks like this is bolted straight through. Because these will be clamped on top of the chip to hold it in place, and I am not re-pasting, and this looks fine that I can actually blow it out enough for what I want to do, and it looks like it's actually screwed into the base of the fan anyway. So yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Is that a battery under there? Yeah, 2 or 3, so it's a clock battery there. Yeah, so that's that part done. I'm going to clean this out. You don't need to see me blowing this out anyway. So me, the board and the spider are going to have a little bit of a trip, and I'll see you in the next part. Like, subscribe me, tick the bell icon so you can get notifications when I put more videos on. And yeah, part 2, me putting this back together and making sure it works. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in part 2. Bye bye.